Still tracking trades manually? Manual trade journaling is slow, messy, and incomplete. Lost data, no insights, time wasted, and no screenshots. Meet Trade Journal Pro Expert Advisors. Simply drag and drop this expert advisor onto your chart and start trading. It captures entry and exit automatically with on-chart screenshots, logs prices, stop loss, take profit, lot size, fees, and profit, loss, and exports clean CSVs in real time. Open the analyzer and your raw logs become a polished Excel workbook. Yearly sheet, monthly sheet, weekly sheet, each currency pair sheet, summary sheet, time analysis sheet, edge calendar sheet, and many more features are included in Trade Journal Pro. No more manual journaling. It will be fully automated. Relax and focus on your trading. Manual journaling is slow and stressful. Trade Journal Pro records the trade, saves the screenshots, and shows the truth in seconds. So focus on trading, not journaling.